waves whisper my name, softly like a fading dream. I let the silence take my pain, buried under silver beams. Every breath feels slow as the world fades below. In the blue I find my truth, where no one ever goes. Under the deep ocean I can finally breathe again. No noise, no emotion, just the echo of my name. If I sink a little deeper, will I lose or will I stay? Under the deep ocean I drift so far away. My thoughts dissolve like sand between the fingers of the sea. No way left to withstand, just what's left of me. Stars above can't see me here, but I feel their light below. Maybe peace was always